Look at this beautiful deal. This all had peeling paint. This whole deck was just inundated with peeling coating everywhere. It was everywhere. There was no surface that did not have it. You can see what we've done. Super pretty now. Super pretty. Super high build coating. Same thing with this upper deck here. Peeling paint everywhere. It's been locked down. You can see underneath here, this is peeling paint that we've locked down everywhere. Really pretty deck. Just gorgeous. Getting attacked by bees again. Here's a upper deck shot of it. So this deck just turned out really pretty. Unbelievably pretty. There was gaps and stuff here that we filled in. Our deck systems are just so tough, man. They're just so tough. Anybody that paints their deck now with just regular paint, I don't know. I just don't get it. Not when it, man, that's so tough. I mean, just tough, man. Very pretty. The deck floor itself is has a super build deck, which is my creation. Basically, where we come in. It's an intentional layering of 5 coats or more. 4 coats or more, I apologize. We started finding out that a lot of them wouldn't take 5. So we lowered it to 4. Very pretty. Very well.